Welcome to Sim Code. Hey folks. Hope you're doing great. Let's dive into today's video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. In Java, a constructor is a special method used to initialize objects when they are created. It has the same name as the class and does not have a return type. Constructors are called automatically when an object of a class is instantiated, and they ensure that the object is in a valid state by assigning initial values to its fields. There are two types of constructors: default constructors, which are automatically provided by Java if no other constructor is defined, and parameterized constructors, which allow for custom initialization by accepting arguments. Constructors play a key role in object-oriented programming by setting up objects with specific attributes right from the moment they are created. This is a simple example that shows how Java constructors work by creating a car class. The class has properties like the car's model, year, and price. The magic happens with two constructors: a default one that initializes a car with default values, like unknown for the model, 0 for the year, and 0.0 for the price, and a parameterized one where you can pass in your own values when creating a car, like Tesla Model S, 2023, and $79,999.99. The main goal here is to show how constructors help in creating objects with specific details, either by setting default values or letting you customize them right from the start. We also use getter methods to access those details and print them out. In short, this is a clean example of using constructors to control how objects are created and initialized in Java. Alright, guys, today we are going to dive into Java constructors with a practical example. We will be creating a simple class called car to understand how constructors work. So here are our instance variables, or in simpler terms, the properties of the car. These represent the details you would normally associate with a car, like its model, year, and price. This is a string variable that holds the model of the car, like Honda Civic or BMW X5. This is an invariable that holds the year the car was manufactured, like 2020, 2021, etc. This is a double variable that holds the price of the car, like 25,000.50 for $25,000.50. Now, let me show you the constructor. Constructors are special methods used to create an object and initialize it. Whenever you create a new object from a class, the constructor is called automatically. This is a default constructor. It has no parameters, and it sets default values for the fields. If we don't create a constructor, Java will give us a default one that does nothing. So it's better to define our own to customize how the object should be created. Setting the default model of the car to unknown, in case no value is passed. Setting the default year to 0, because we don't have a real year yet. Setting the default price to 0.0. Again, no value passed, so let us assume the car is free. Now, this is a parameterized constructor. This constructor takes values when we create a new car and uses them to initialize the car object. We can pass the values we want for model, year, and price directly when creating the car. Here, we are setting the model of the car to the value passed in when creating the object. We are setting the year of the car to the value passed in. Setting the price of the car to the value passed in. Now we are going to add some simple getter methods to access the properties of the car. Getter methods are just ways to get the value of private variables from outside the class. This helps in keeping our code neat and secure. Return the model of the car. Return the year of the car. Return the price of the car. And here we add a simple main method to create some car objects and print out their properties. Here, we are creating an object of the car class using the default constructor. This will set the car's model to unknown, year to 0, and price to 0.0. Now, let us create another car but with custom values for the model, year, and price. This will use our parameterized constructor. Let us print out the details of each car using the getter methods. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.